Hello, my name is Sheree Williams, and I am very, very excited to um, be starting my final field placement. This is the one I've been waiting for, where I am able to actually do some therapy and utilize the interventions and theories I have learned thus far. My internship, field placement is um, actually at my job, but for a different program. Um, It's called the ILTSS program, and it's a program where we do hour-long sessions, half an hour to hour-long sessions with clients, basically therapy sessions with people with mental health um, issues. So I'm very, very excited to be starting this part of my grad school journey, and also that it is kind of the final leg of this very, very long, long journey. So I'm quite excited. Um, let's see. My agency has all kind of programs. They range from outpatient to partial care to intensive case management to CCBHC, which is a certified behavioral health clinic. We have a little bit of everything at the agency I work for. So, what I am hoping to get out of this field experience, as well as the field seminar, is basically just experience with utilizing my theories and interventions and just the hands on portion of actually completing one on one sessions with a person. So, I'm really excited to get in there and roll my sleeves up and do some work. Um, a little bit nervous, but anxious to also uh, see what kind of a effect I can have on a person as a therapist, um, clinician, or what have you. I'm still undecided. But let's see, what do I expect this field experience? How do I expect this field experience will be different from my generalist placement? Um, I feel like this time the client interactions will be more intimate, where I'll be able to kind of develop rapport with them, and my role will be definitely different because I'll be doing the therapist side, more the clinical side of things, as opposed to the social work side of things, where my first placement was more so case management and providing resources for clients um, at a food pantry. So this one's going to be very different. So I'm very excited, and I look forward to see what the semester brings. And I see there are a few people that I've had classes with before. So welcome back. Happy to work with you again, and I wish everyone luck in their field placements. Take care.